Naval aviation refers to the use of military aircraft by naval forces operating from aircraft carriers, helicopters, equipped ships, or land bases to support maritime operations, specialized aircraft and operations. Naval aviation includes aircraft designed for short takeoffs and arrested landings on carriers, air-to-air combat and surface submarine attacks, maritime reconnaissance and search and rescue, logistics and supply mission. Key roles of naval aviation: fleet air defense protects naval forces beyond the range of land-based air cover, strategic power projection project air power globally without relying on land bases, anti-surface warfare targets enemy ships with air launch weaponry, support for amphibious warfare, assist in marine land knights and inland operations, mine countermeasure detect and neutralizes enemy sea mines using aerial assets. Importance: naval aviation is vital for sea control, supporting joint naval ground operation and projecting power far from home bases. It comprises carrier-based jet, maritime patrol aircraft, helicopters, and unmanned aerial systems. Aircraft carrier and overview. An aircraft carrier is a warship that functions as a floating airbase. It is equipped with a full-length flight deck and hangar facility to support arm, deploy and recover aircraft. Key functions: seaborne air power projection enables naval forces to project air power far from land-based airfields, enhancing operational reach. Carrier battle groups, often the centerpiece of modern naval warfare, playing a critical role in deterrence, sea control, and achieving air superiority. Strategic and tactical capabilities, adaptability and survivability. Aircraft carrier can control seas, conduct strikes, and operate across the electromagnetic spectrum and cyberspace. Global presence. About 50 active carriers are currently in service worldwide. The United States Navy leads with 11 large nuclear-powered carriers, followed by countries such as Brazil, China, France, India, Italy, Russia, Spain, Thailand, and the United Kingdom. History of carrier aviation in India. India's carrier aviation began with the commissioning of INS Vikrant in 1961, marking the start of the country's naval aviation journey. India continues to expand its carrier fleet with future plans for additional indigenous carriers. Key aircraft carriers in India. INS Vikrant 1961 to 1997, India's first aircraft carrier, operational for several decades. INS Virat 1987 to 2017, served the Indian Navy for 30 years, and after being commissioned in 1987, INS Vikramaditya in 2013, a Russian origin carrier currently in service with the Indian Navy. INS Vikrant, commissioned in 2022, India's first indigenously built aircraft carrier, joining the fleet in 2022. Why India needs aircraft carriers? Strategic deterrence and power projection. Aircraft carriers allow India to assert influence and maintain a favorable balance of power in the Indian Ocean region, vital for trade, energy and security. The protection of maritime interests. With over 90% of India's trade by volume transported by sea, aircraft carriers help secure sea lines of communication, protect island territory, and deter potential threats. Blue Water Navy capability. Carriers enable the Indian Navy to operate far from its source, establishing India as a blue water navy capable of extended operation and rapid crisis responses. Continuous operational readiness. Multiple carriers ensure that at least one is always operational on each course, even when others are undergoing maintenance or refit. Non-military roles. In addition to military functions, aircraft carriers are essential for humanitarian and disaster relief operations, projecting India's soft power and providing rapid responses to regional emergencies. How Rafale M will help the Indian Navy. Enhancing carrier-based fighter fleet, Rafale M jets will augment the current MiG-29K fleet, joining a legacy of carrier-based fighters like Seahawks, Aegis and Sea Harrier. Future compatibility. While India is developing the twin-engine deck-based fighter for the next decade, the Rafale Ms will fill the capability gap in the interim with their advanced features, combat ready and proven. As a 4.5 generation battle proven aircraft, Rafale M brings superior combat performance to India's naval aviation. Interoperability with IAF. A major benefit is the commonality with Indian Air Force Rifles, allowing for joint training, shared maintenance protocols, and streamlined logistics between the Navy and the Air Force boost to military capability. The induction of Rafale M will significantly strengthen India's maritime strike power and enhance overall military readiness and effectiveness across all domains.